Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of the Mosh Posh. This is episode 3, and episode 3 is mail time. So I ordered a few things from Amazon a couple of days ago. I had actually forgotten all about it. And let's just jump in the box and see what's in the box because I forgot. First up we have the quad lock, which is out of focus. This is getting in my way. You know what? Let's just empty the box. So first up is the quad lock, and I had one of these before. This is really useful. It is an iPhone case. I had one of these before on a 6 Plus. I lost my 6 Plus, but ended up getting a 7 Plus. And basically what this quad lock is with a couple accessories like this one, you have the ability to, well, this is for the bike handlebar, and what it is, you just kind of plug it there, or it keeps it sturdy, and you have it on your bike. So you can see your screen and everything. So that's really cool. So I really miss this. I got another electric something coming, and I definitely needed to get these two things back in my archives. All right, next up we have a knockoff Joby. Now I do have a Joby. What do you call these things? Monopod? Tripod? Oh, tripod. Now I do have a Joby. It is like basically almost the same size as this one, but the leg thingies keep popping off. So I don't understand what that's about. So I'm gonna try this one and see how that works. It got kind of annoying when I was trying to put it around certain things, and the legs would pop off, or it's too loose. Maybe I have the wrong Joby. I don't know, we'll see. But I ended up getting this one for holding the camera setup, which is a little bit easier to hold it better than holding the other Joby in your hand where it's kind of awkward. So hopefully this works a lot better than the other one. And yeah. The other thing is I ordered 4 of these quick release plates because I needed to move around the camera from place to place. So I wanted to be able to quickly go from tripod to a stand or, a dolly. So, just kind of throw one of these on here, like so. And just be able to move the camera to the dolly to tripod just kind of seamlessly and quickly. Time is definitely of the essence, and I don't have time to be screwing these things on. That was another good thing. So this is the Silk DQ10. Yeah, quick release plate. This one is small. It's a lot smaller than what you would find on your bigger tripods. I need something small. Also, what this helps me do is get to the battery compartment and the SD slot in the camera without blocking the bottom of the camera. So this has really been invaluable to everything that's going on in here. This is dope. Next thing I ordered was a ball head for a tripod. I have some really cheap tripods right now. I haven't spent the dough to get like a Manfrotto or anything yet, but that's definitely in the works. And yeah, I needed a ball head to get some other things going on. Oh, this is kind of nice. So this is a triple tree. I'll probably end up putting another one of the, let me see. Because I think what I tried to do was, yep, look at that. Bam! So I could actually put the camera on this plate and just tighten it up, and that's it. This is great, along with the quick release plates that I just purchased, and they fit on here. Awesome. Another thing I bought, it's an arm. I can have this anywhere on the stand here, where it's probably going to be, so I can put the microphone. So this way everything is kind of out of the way, because right now I have it on the desk, and it would probably be better if I have it straight. This way I'm kind of talking straight, and as I'm looking, I'm talking right into the microphone, whereas the microphone is like right down here. Next thing is, I don't know why I bought this. I was just kind of curious. So I got this iPhone gimbal. It's called the X-Cam Sight 25. This is super small. So here it is. So there it is. I do have the Snopa M1, I think this is. So I do have this. I'm not sure why I got this one, but this one is a lot smaller. I do like my Snopa. So, okay, you can see that already it's a bit of a challenge to get on with the case. Power on? I don't know. Oh, there it is. So there's the gimbal, camera. Can it go sideways? Yes. It died. I don't know what happened. Maybe it's just vertically. Oh, there it goes. All right, it's back. I'll check to see if it's just vertical or sideways. I don't think it's just... it just keeps falling. I just thought it was cool, something that you can quickly throw in your bag. There was really no reason for me to buy this, like none at all, other than it's a toy because I do have the Snopa. But we'll see how good this is. Turn that off. Last but not least, the magic bullet. So my girlfriend has one of these, and she made something that was really good. I was really impressed on how she was just able to throw a few things in this little cup and just kind of blend it, and it was ready in like 5 minutes, literally like 5 minutes. I decided to get one for myself so I can make a couple of fruit smoothie, juice, healthy things. I figure that if I drink some of this, then it'll stop me from eating. We know those aren't good for us. And I'm trying to make a change for the new year. I know we're way past New Year, but it's always a good time to start anytime you want to start, when you feel like you want to start and make the conscious decision to make a change in your life. So let's crack this open, and I'll try to make a little fruit smoothie, and we'll see how it goes. Let's go. All in all, really good. Could use a little more bananas, but yeah, this is gonna be my new thing now. Smoothies. Oh, by the way, I'm not sponsored by Magic Bullet or any of the other products that I showed you earlier. This is just stuff that I like. This is really good. If you'd like to know more about the stuff that I showed, check the links below. And yeah, let's get healthy. So I hope you enjoyed Mealtime / Smoothie, and I'll catch you next time. Mosh Posh, peace.